How to delete credit card on Lyft. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can delete credit card on the Lyft app. So the first thing to do is to open the Lyft app. So once your app is opened on the app interface, you would click on the main menu by clicking on the three horizontal lines located by the top left corner of the screen. So once you click on it, a drop menu would appear to you, and then you will see a list of options such as notifications, free ride history, payments, rewards, gift card, etc. So you would be clicking on payments. Payments located under right history and above rewards. You just click on payments that way, and then after clicking on payment, you'll be directed to the payment page where you would see your lift cash, that is your balance at the moment. Then you will see business setup, business profile, then you see your payment method. Okay, now I'm sure that for you to want to delete your or delete credit card on Lyft, it means that you've added your credit card as a means of payment or as a payment method on the Lyft app. So for me, I do not have any payment method. That is why it's asking me to add a payment method there. So I'm sure for you, you would have added it already. So under payment method, you would see credit card. So what you need to do is to long press on credit card. Once you like press on it, a box will be displayed, and amongst the options, you would see delete card or delete payment method. All you need to do is to click on delete payment method. Then you'll be asked if you're sure. You click on yes, and you may be asked for further instructions. Just read through, follow the instructions, and then the credit card would be deleted automatically from your left app. Lyft app, sorry, Lyft app. So this is how to delete your credit card on your Lyft app. So go ahead and delete that credit card today. Thanks for watching.